Hello. So in this class, we will be continuing with definite integrals VSAQs and the questions based on areas. So the first question is, find the area bounded by the parabola y equals to x square, x-axis and the lines x equals to -1 and x equals to 2. So what is given to us? Let us write that first. So given y equals to x square, x-axis. What do you mean by x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. And what are the other lines given to us? X equals to -1, x equals to 2. Now for y equals to x square, let us form a table. So based on the values of x, y values changes. So let us form a table here. In the first row, we write x. In the second row, we write y. So based on the values of x, y values will change. Suppose if we are taking -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you square x, you will get y. So -3 whole square is 9, -2 whole square is 4, -1 whole square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So based on these values, we draw a graph. So let's see, this is a graph. So this is negative x-axis, this is positive x-axis, this is positive y-axis. And where x and y-axis meet, that is origin. And over here you have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. So first you see, when x is -3, y is 9. So when x is -3, and let us take some points on y-axis, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So -3 comma 9, it's coming somewhere over here. Then -2 and 4. When x is -2, y is 4. So that comes over here. Then -1 and 1, that comes over here. 0 comma 0 here. 1 comma 1 here. Then 2 comma 4 is over here. Then 3 comma 9 is over here. So you get a parabola. If I join the points, we get a parabola. Okay. Now you see what are the given lines. X equals to -1 is one of the line. So x equals to -1, we will draw a line like this. Then x equals to 2, there is a line like this. And then x-axis and y equals to x square. So the area which is enclosed by all these four things, that is y equals to x square, is a parabola, x-axis is the horizontal axis, lines x equals to -1 and x equals to 2 are these two vertical lines which I have drawn. So the area between them will be the shaded region. Once you draw the figure, we need to integrate it. So what is the required area? Required area A equals to from -1 to 2 x square dx. So that is integral x square is x cube by 3 from -1 to 2. Now 1 by 3 is a constant. X cube from -1 to 2. 1 by 3 into 2 cube minus -1 whole cube. That is 1 by 3 into 8 minus of -1. That is 1 by 3 into 8 plus 1. That is 9 by 3. 9 by 3 equals to 3 square units because it is area. Area is always measured in square units. Now take the next question. This question last appeared in TS March 2020 paper. This is also similar to the last one. Find the area of the region bounded by y equals x cube plus 3, x-axis, and x equals to minus 1, x equals to 2. So what is the given lines? Given y equals to x cube plus 3, x-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Y is equal to 0, and then x equals to minus 1, x equals to 2. These are the given lines. Okay, now based on y equals to x cube plus 3, let us form a table. So for the table, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These 5 values are enough to get any graph. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So if x is minus 2, x cube is minus 8. And minus 8 plus 3 will become minus 5. Then if x is minus 1, x cube will become minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. And if x is 0, 0 cube is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. If x is 1, 1 cube is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. If x is 2, 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now again we need to draw a figure. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And over here you will get minus 1, minus 2. Wait a minute. We have minus 5 also, right? So let us make a plus. We will make a plus. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay. So because you are getting a big number at 11, so let us skip this 11 in order to get a small graph. So we need not write till 11. Till 5 it is enough. Okay. Now minus 2 and minus 5 and negative y-axis also I want 5 numbers. Minus 4, minus 5. Now minus 2 on x-axis, minus 5 on y-axis. Both meet over here. Then minus 1 and 2 over here. 0 and 3 over here. 1 and 4 over here. Now x-axis is this line. Okay. We want everything above this. So if I join this, the graph will become like this, and like this. Okay, now x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 is, this is the line for x equals to 2. Then x equals to minus 1 is this. So this is the enclosed figure. Shade this enclosed region. Now this is the graph. For this graph, how will be the required area? So required area is integral minus 1 to 2 x cube plus 3 dx. So that is, if you integrate this, you get x power 4 by 4 plus 3x from minus 1 to 2. So 2 power 4 is 16 by 4 plus 3 twos are 6 minus If I put x as minus 1 whole power 4 is 1. This is 1 by 4 minus 3. So how I expanded it? First I substituted upper limit minus lower limit. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So this is 10 minus. What is this? 1 minus 12 minus 11 by 4. So 10 plus 11 by 4. So that is 51 by 4 square units if we take the LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
Now take this next question. This question recently appeared in AP March 24 paper. So find the area enclosed between the curves x equals to 4 minus y square and x equals to 0. So what is x equals to 0? It is y axis. Okay. So first let us write down what is given to us. Given x equals to 4 minus y square and x equals to 0. X equals to 0 is the equation of y-axis. Now if you solve these two equations, in both the equations on the left hand side you have x. So right hand side we can equate. 4 minus y square is 0. Okay, solving. So we got this. Then y square equals to 4 and y equals to plus or minus 2. Therefore, y equals to 2 and y equals to minus 2. Okay. Now, if we make a table, now x and y, we take minus 2, 0 and minus 2. So, y values will be 0, 4 and 0. Now, based on that, if we draw a figure, see this is x equals to 2 and this is x equals to minus 2. This is minus 2. This is plus 2. This is 0. So you will get a parabola like this. And this is the shaded region. And this point is 4. This is 2. So after you get this, what is the required area? Required area is integral minus 2 to 2, 4 minus y square dy. So that is 4y minus y cube by 3 from minus 2 to 2. First let us apply y is equal to 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 minus 8 by 3 minus, now 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus into minus will become plus 8 by 3. So that is 8 minus 8 by 3 plus 8 minus 8 by 3. 8 plus 8 is 16 minus 16 by 3. 48 minus 16 by 3, that is 32 by 3 square units. Now take the next question. Find the area enclosed between the curves y equals to x square, y equals to x cube. So what is given to us? Y equals to x square and y equals to x cube. So for y equals to x square, let us make a table. We'll take three values of x. Based on that, we will get values of y. So x, y. If we take x as 0, y is 0. If we take x as 1 by 2, y will be 1 by 4. If we take x as 1, y will be 1. And y equals to x cube also we will make a table. The same way. X, y, 0, 0. 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 and 1. Now if we solve x square equals to x cube, so we will, if we bring all terms one side, we will get x cube or else x square minus x cube equals to 0. X square common, 1 minus x equals to 0. So x square is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So if we plot a graph, suppose this is 1 by 2, 1, this is 0, 1 by 8, then 1 by 4, then 1 by 2, and then 1. So you will get 0 comma 0 is the origin, then 1 by 2 comma 1 by 8 is over here, then 1 comma 1 is over here, is over here. So we will get a line like this. Okay. So it meets like this. So again it meets like this. There is a point here also we are getting. So this is the shaded area. So what is the required area now? Required area is integral 0 to 1 x square minus x cube dx. So that is x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 from 0 to 1. If you substitute 1, you will get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Minus, if you substitute 0, you will get a 0. So if you take LCM, 4 minus 3 by 12. That is 1 by 12 square units.